guys, you know me ever find myself in some really weird spot, I'd say. Yeah man. But I find myself up and active guys on top of the morning this morning. Yeah man. Up and active, you know guys. From the other day y'all see me and Biggs up and active. Yeah man, we went to Somerset, we were seasoning up some meat and stuff. Yeah man. But today the day when we take Anton Fashion and Biggs and cook up all of them here meat. Yeah man, but you know energy go. Come on yard guys. We're up and active and we're there yeah man, lower yard to be in fact. We're now going into details. But anyway, come along, let me show you all what's popping within the kitchen. Yeah man, Biggs up and active. That is it. Yeah guys, this is it, you know. So jerk pan they are active up. From earlier on guys, I'm up and active and I there I catch up the fire them, yeah man. You know energy. You know, and the pork set on already. You know, in Biggs they are take on done fashion guys, as you can see. Beautiful. That is it man. Now they actually come on a rim them out with some good old coal. Biggs they are active up on. That is it guys. Yeah man. Quick and fast. Super guys. Yeah man, that little fire there running so. Kinda catch up that little one yeah. You know this? Yeah man. Hey guys, I always find myself here, there and almost all about. You can't follow me guys, but more up and about, I'm gonna stop by Dumfries. Yeah man, come do a quick delivery. You know energy come. Biggs up and active, but enough for the chit chatting guys. Let's get back to the video. You know the energy go. With the area sightseeing, even though I drop off some food. Yeah man, come my yard guys. One love, one heart. It's a blessing. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the photo for my friend.
You know all that. After them are tough man.
Yeah guys, I went by the shop just now. Yeah man, get some items, I'd say. Yeah man, but on top of the morning guys, don't mind me, I'm a sulky look. Yeah man. Whoa, up and active and giving thanks to life. I trust that you all are feeling quite fine. Yeah man, I put together. Oh, smell of fall down guys. Still not wake up yet morning early, foot them weak. Can't follow me yeah. But I put together this video for y'all. I trust that y'all like, share and subscribe to the channel man. Trust me. Sorry, my apologies guys. It really does help. Yeah man. Remember to get up, get about, get out there and do the right thing. Yeah man. This is not that much of an exciting video, but you know it's something go. Come on yard man, rain are coming now guys. So I've got to run out of the weather. Woo, look at that. Rain in the countryside. Hey guys, now open active and we're there, yeah, the Big's around the corner there. Big bro there, pick jackfruit, guys. Yeah man, big bro just pick a jackfruit. Look at that. See three over there, sir. Brother there, pick a few more. Yeah man. Big bro up in the tree, way up there, so guys. Yeah man, no place like yeah, I tell you. It's a blessing. You say wanna? You want it? Hey, General Axie, big bro Axie. He General want jackfruit. No place like yard, guys. I tell you, it's a blessed day, man. No place like country. Hold on it. Come in.
Let's try cushion it, man.
Come in. Cushion, you can't catch it. Yeah, man. This is broken, brother. And that it one to this game tonight.
Alright.
Bomb, but it have a smell, you see, brother. Nice. Leave them that tone, then can nice. Macaron up now. Yeah. Yeah, bro. On jackfruit for days, guys, months, years, and decades.
That's what I next door with.
This?
No, man. Our next different one. Oh, see that, this. Jaja.
Smoke for days.
know you have to kind of feel it. And plus, my dad might be walking around to a car birthday. I go buy something for the money in the balloon. Oh, you pick it up? I go pick it up. Okay, you buy the phone. Right, come on.
So we box it.
But on a night, at night.
Then that is it, man. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the rice pot there one part. Yeah, man, the ship they out in the harbor, they are out about for that. Yeah, man, as I say, Biggs they are taking turn fashion as usual. This is yard as is, man. Yeah, man, big bro, get a phone call, guys. Let me give you all a close up on the rice. Show you all what's popping. Peas for days. This is yard as is. Yeah, man. Biggs they are taking turn fashion, guys. You know where something go. As I say, big bro get a phone call. Yeah, man. Oh, they are check on.
Time for you.
Big bro take on the fashion over there. Right a yak. Yeah, man. That is it, guys. It's a blessing.
So we answer.
Yeah, guys, I didn't fill y'all in on how Zeus condition. Come on, but as you can see, generally I clean up and him here I grow back and him a taking time I come around. Yeah, man, little bit from this, him a go pretty like money. You know me already, guys. Always have a find time for show y'all what's popping a yard the morning Zeus. Alright, my boy. Later.